Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So the title has said it all. This is a plus size clothing haul kind of thing. Anyways, so yes, so I went downtown and we did some shopping. The main reason I went downtown pretty much was to buy like bra and underwear, because I'm gonna do like a closet clean out and I want to like get rid of lots of my bra and my undergarments and whatnot. So I went downtown because downtown is cheap. So one thing about downtown, though, it's always packed, and even though it's corona, it is still packed. Yeah, it's still packed, but anyways, we're gonna just ignore that. So yeah, things are very reasonable downtown, but you have some persons that will like hike up the price. You have just some, but most places are cheap. So like for the bras I bought, they were like $600, and anybody know plus size bras are not that cheap most places. So to get a bra for $600, and I think it was selling some for $5, it's pretty reasonable. The last time I bought a bra that cheap was in Maypen for like $700, and it seems like good quality. I'm hoping that it will work. But anyways, that's not what you guys are here for today. You're here to see a haul, and I just wanted to show you guys like this blouse. My aunt gave it to me, so yeah, I'm gonna have like a next camera somewhere down here that will like show the full length of the outfit so you guys can see that. But without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like show you the item first, then I'm gonna try it on, and you're gonna see like on one part of the screen what I'll be filming with my phone. So the phone will actually show you like the full length or whatever of the outfit that I'm wearing. So if you see me looking down, that's the reason, because I'm trying to look at the phone to ensure that I'm in, yeah. So this is the first outfit that I have. Not outfit, this is the first blouse. Don't pay the pants any mind. The pants is not in it, the marina is not in it. I just put that on so nothing will be showing. Anyways, so this is not something I bought. It's a blouse my aunt gave me. It has this little pin thing in the back. So yeah, that is what that looks like. Yeah, so this is not, I won't have a price for you for this, but I just think it's cute, nice little blouse to wear with a tight fitted pants, not a big pants like this one, a tight one. Okay, a tight one. All right, so the next things I have, so the first things I bought, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you like the undergarments first, not my underwears, my undergarments, and like I'm gonna be telling you like the prices and stuff. I think if I can remember. So it's not a lot, and yes, there's a yellow in the mix, but no one has seen it. No, I was so happy to see socks, guys. You see, when the City Plus sell socks, other places and I sell one for $100. Like $100 is, let me tell you how much in American, like probably like $1 or something there. So, and pretty much normally I get like one pair of socks for $100 in Jamaica. I got 3 pairs, so they were selling 3 pairs of socks for $100, and this is like a blue with sprinkles on it. This is a yellow, black and white, and it kind of looks like a pants, like, yeah. And we bought actually 3 different packs or something like that, and then we split it. So this had like different colors of this one in one pack, different colors of this one in the other, and different colors of this. So all I did was take one of each, give somebody one of each, and such and such. And then this is the last one. It's like an emoji sock, and it's also yellow. Now the next thing I needed to replace, because I always wear these. I have on one right now, can't show you guys, but I always wear these, and them kind of easy to mash up. So these were bought like in a store. These are bought like on the roadside from like a roadside vendor, but these are bought in a store. Is it Joseph's? I think it was called Joseph's, I don't remember. And it don't on it like actually took it off. But anyways, and these come with a tag in it. I think these are one size and so on. Each of these were $400 and I bought 5 of them, so that was like $2,000. I bought a white, a blue, a black, and these are kind of different from the ones I had. These feel a little bit thinner, not gonna lie, they feel thinner, but they have the they have like, it tells you which one is the top and which one is the bottom. So these are the 4 colors I bought. I bought 2 black and gave my mom 1. So yeah, I always wear these under my clothes, so it was good that I actually could buy those. Alright, so these things that I'm gonna show you, like the shorts and this blouse, this thing, I always also wear these under my clothes. They can also be worn alone, and I will be like taking off this and like be wearing it alone, and I'll just try it on and let you guys see how it looks. So this is it pretty much. It's burgundy, and I think it's pretty nice for you to have in your closet because they come in really handy. They can actually go under your clothes and such like that, just to kind of bring a little bit of modesty to your clothes if you want. They're good for like work clothes and stuff like that. So if you have like a jacket, a plain black jacket, and you want to put things under it to make it look different every time you wear it, these are good. So yeah, this was $300. It wasn't bought from, I didn't buy this in downtown. I bought this from one of my friends who I think bought it from somebody in downtown, so she carried them to us because she had bought some and she like showed it to us and whatnot. So yeah. Alright guys, so I shouldn't have put on any deodorant and whatnot because I'm not see tough, but anyways, this is how it looks. This is what it looks like and whatnot. So yeah, it kind of roll up because I have on a lot of things on the hair, but yeah, you get the drift. Everybody know these. Yeah, so the next things are these shorts. I think you guys saw my friend Tovia in one when she was like, when we were at hotel and stuff, so she wore one of them. I think it was yellow and some bright colors, but anyways, this is what it looks like. It's kind of biggish at the moment, but I kind of like them oversized, yeah. It kind of just look cute, and I love the color. It's tie-dye-ish, and these were $600, also bought from the friend. So I bought this color, and I'm only gonna try on like one of these. So I bought 2 of these, and this is the other color. It's blue, pink and white tie-dye, and I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Just a nice little shorts, and I just push in the blouse because it looks better to me when the blouse push in. Let me move these out of the way. It's not in my shot. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty nice to me. And yeah, you can tie this however you want. You can even carry it back around if you don't want the string, you know. And you can dress this up with like a what do you call these, tank tops. There are some nice tank tops, like some turtleneck tank tops that, you know, would be above it and whatnot. Just make it look cute, you know. I'll just do whatever you want with it. And as I said, the other one is pretty much the same, so I won't be like trying on that one. Now the other one is pretty much my favorite because it's so bright and so cute. And this is also $600. This one is a bit smaller and shorter. These are they're in 3X. Yes, these are 3X, and then this one is large, and this fits me. So yes, it fits me because it's stretchy, I guess that's why it fits. But yeah, so this is the other one. As you can see, it's shorter, but it's good length compared to like a normal other shorts that would probably reach like up here. So it's pretty cute and all. I don't know, I like it. I really love it. I love this one the best because of the color. Y'all know I love yellow. So, and the best thing, they have pockets. So yeah. Alright guys, so on to the next set of things. I'm just gonna finish off with the bottoms and then go on to the two like big tops dress. It can be wear than dress, but them shorts. So anyways, so the next thing is these tights, and I'm showing it like the length of it and the size. These are bought in downtown from my aunt as well. I think she bought them for like, is it 300? It not past $600. I'm sure. So yeah, these are this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Alright guys, so it was kind of a little bit tighter than expected. This is what it looks like. It's kind of showing stuff, so that's why I'm covering it. But yeah, it's kind of thinnish to me. It kind of looks thin to me. I don't know. But yeah, normally I wear tights with like oversized things anyways, so like blouse like these or longer. And then the next thing I have is this black one. So it's just the same, so I'll be trying it on. So yeah, that's the other one. As you guys can see, it's kind of thinnish. It's thick but thin. Oh, that work? I don't know. It's thick, but as you can see, once it stretches, so for a plus size person like me, yeah, once this starts stretch, it's gonna get, yeah. All right, so the next thing I bought wasn't from downtown. This next thing wasn't from downtown. I think this was in Linstead, and I just fell in love with the writing. It says wash your hands, and I just love it. And I love these things. They're kind of like oversized t-shirts or stuff like that. I just love these. I will wear them as dress and then like wear sneakers with it. But so yeah, I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Alright guys, so this is what the blouse looks like. As you can see, if I wanted to wear this as a dress, I could, because it's tall enough. Just need to wear like a short tights under it, and yeah, it kind of showed the tummy area kind of it, but let me draw it in for now because I'm working on it. Anyways, so yeah, that's what it will look like. And I could wear like a sneakers, like my Nike sneakers, or like my boots or something with it. So yeah, it's pretty comfy too. Material is nice, pretty. It's just like a t-shirt, an oversized t-shirt, you know. It's nice. It's nice, really nice. Then the next thing I have is this beautiful blouse that I expected to be like this size, but it wasn't. Guys, I just saw this blouse and I'm like, I want that. And this I think was like $1,000, or I bought this quite a while, so I'm not remembering the price right now. But these like I bought like about 2 or 3 days ago, but this like probably about a month ago. I haven't worn it, so I bought it to actually go to a hotel from the event here, but I didn't wear it. So yeah, anyways, but this I bought. It looks big, and that's kind of why it tricked me, but it's not as big because it doesn't stretch as much. Yeah, it doesn't have that much stretch. It's thick, so it doesn't have that much stretch. But guys, look at it. I'm a Disney fan plus yellow fan, so you know, this just spoke to me. It's yellow, it's just cute. So yeah, have Minnie and Mickey on it and all. So yeah, we're gonna try this on, and let me show you. And I'll show you, because I've tried this on before. I was excited to try it on when I got home. When I did, I was kind of disappointed, not gonna lie, because I expected it to be a big. I wanted it to be bigger. So yeah, let's try that on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As it is right now, I can't wear this as a dress because it will be too short in the back. Oh my gosh, it will be up too much, so I can't wear this as a dress. I have to wear it like as a long blouse or something. But yeah, it's cute. I was telling my mom that probably I could like you call it DIY it, like cut it somewhere up here so make down here so as one skirt. I don't know, that's what I was thinking. But yeah, it's kind of just like but yes, that is what the things look like. Alright guys, so my camera battery is flashing, so a good thing I'm actually finished with this video. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which one of these items were your favorites. I don't know which one is my favorites. Oh yes, I think I know actually. I love this shorts, so I think the shorts and the wash your hands blouse is my favorite. So yeah, so I think these are my favorites. This would have been my favorite if it was a little bigger. It would have been, I'm not gonna lie, it would have been my favorite if it was a bit bigger. But anyways, I'm not gonna complain because I like it anyhow. So yes, thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment something down below, share with your friends, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Guys, we are on our way to 1,100 subscribers. We are now at, I think, 1,070. So subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.